Please be something cool. Earphones. I wonder what ability this is gonna be. I guess I should try them out.
Morning, honey.
Oh, hey, Mom.
I have to tell her she's adopted.
Did you just say I'm adopted?
No, I didn't say that, honey. What do you mean?
I'm going to school.
Hey, Giselle.
Oh, hey, Olivia.
I'm just friends with her so I can hook up with her boyfriend.
You know what? This friendship is over.
What? Is it something I said?
I think these give me the ability to know what people are thinking. Sweet.
Giselle, you're failing this class. You got an F on your test.
Well, Mr. Fitz, is there anything I could do for extra credit?
Oh, she could suck on my...
You know what? I'm fine with failing. This is both a blessing and a curse. What object am I getting today? A pair of glasses. What kind of ability is that? I guess I should try them on.
Morning, honey.
Oh, hey, Mom. Wait, you used to be a stripper?
How do you know that? Don't judge me.
No, I'm not. I'm going to school. No way, these tell me people's darkest secrets.
Hey, Giselle.
You slept with my dad?
What? No.
Don't ever talk to me again.
Since when do you wear glasses?
Since this morning. You know, you should really stop crushing on teachers.
What? Giselle, come on. Please just go out with me.
Tyler, for the 10th time, no. Oh, shit. I can finally see my parents' bank account. Although I don't expect them to make much. We can barely afford the house we live in. What? My parents are millionaires? That means they can buy me my new phone. Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad.
What's up, sweetie?
Can you guys please buy me the new iPhone?
The new iPhone? Are you crazy?
But why?
There's no way we can afford that. Hey, Giselle, what's wrong?
Is it possible for the system to show you the wrong amount of what your parents make?
No, the system is always accurate. Why do you ask?
Well, because it says my parents are millionaires, and they can't even buy me a new phone. We also can barely afford the house we live in.
I think you need to talk with them about it.
Mom, Dad, you guys are millionaires. Why are we living in this crappy house?
I think we should tell her.
Mom, Dad, you guys are millionaires. Why are we living in this crappy house?
I think we should tell her.
Tell me what?
Sweetie, you're adopted.
I'm adopted? Are you serious?
Honey, we wanted to tell you.
I can't believe you guys were keeping this from me this long. I have to go. Hey, Jessica, can I please come sleep over at your house? I'm having some family issues.
Yeah, of course.
Thanks. Thank you so much for letting me stay here. Your family has a really nice house. I don't think I've ever met your parents before.
They're usually gone for business trips. Jessica, come downstairs. They're back. Let's go say hi. Mom, Dad, this is my best friend Giselle.
Hi, Mr. and Miss Smith.
You look oddly familiar. No, surely it can't be. Mom, Dad, this is my best friend Giselle.
Hi, Mr. and Miss Smith.
You look oddly familiar. No,
Hey, Mommy. Can I ride the bus to school with my friends?
no, honey, I'll walk you.
Okay. Hey, Mom. Can I go to the mall with Jessica? Her mom's taking us.
You can go, but I'm driving you.
Okay, yeah. That's fine. Hey, Mom. There's the school trip. Can I go?
How long is the drive?
About 3 hours.
No, sorry, you can't go.
Okay. Hey, Mom. I'm finally 16. Can I please learn how to drive?
No,
But both my sisters got to learn at my age.
I said no.
This is not fair.
Hey girl, are you coming with us to Jackson's party tonight?
I would love to, but I can't.
Ugh, is this about the whole driving thing? I'll take you. I have my license.
You know what? Yeah. Pick me up at 7.
I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I've never loved one like you. Molten boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you, that's true. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the streets you're running free, like it's only you and me. Geez, you're something to see. Oh, home, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, home, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
You can only say yes.
Yes.
Sweetie, does this dress make me look fat?
Yes.
You really think that?
Yes.
You're such a disappointment, do you know that?
Yes.
Giselle, will you do today's homework for me?
Yes.
Really? I wasn't expecting you to say yes. Will you do the whole week's homework for me?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, thanks. You're the best.
Yes.
Class, today we're doing a pop quiz.
Yes.
Giselle, you seem really excited about the quiz.
Yes.
Should we throw in a surprise presentation too?
She better say no. If she says yes, she's done.
Yes.
Hey babe, I think we should break up.
Yes.
Wait, so you want to break up too?
Yes.
You're cheating on me, aren't you?
Yes.
You can only say no.
No.
Honey, do you want some breakfast?
No.
But it's your favorite, chocolate chip pancakes.
No.
Are you okay? Should I call a doctor?
No.
Giselle, did you finish the assignment?
No.
Are you planning to finish it?
No.
And you just earned yourself detention.
No.
That's it. Go to the principal's office.
Giselle, do you have a date to prom yet?
No.
I heard Chad's gonna ask you.
No.
But I thought you were in love with Chad. Giselle, he's coming.
No, 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 no.
Hey Giselle. Will you go to prom with me?
No.
Is that a yes or a no?
No.
Whatever, I'm out of here.
No.
Come on, make me something good. A penguin and a backpack? No freaking way, I love this.
I got a magic wallet that gives me money.
That is so cool.
I know, right? What'd you get?
I got a penguin backpack, but I don't really know what it does yet.
I'm gonna go get some food. See you.
Okay, bye. Man, I really wish I had some water. Whoa, is it just me or did this thing get heavier? No way, there is like a bunch of waters in here. This backpack must grant wishes. Okay, let's just test this again. I wish for $100 in 20s. This is amazing. I'm home. I wish for some headphones.
Hey sis, what's this? Aren't you kind of old to have a stuffed animal backpack?
Give it back.
Wait a minute, what's inside of here? Hey, how'd you get all this money? Did you steal this money?
No, it was my magic gift. It grants me wishes.
Yeah, right, prove it.
Alright, I wish for a necklace.
Nothing happened.
I must have to be holding on to it for it to work.
Nice try, I know you're stealing money. You probably think you're so cool, but you're not. Ugh!
Oh yeah? How about now, Benson?
That's it. Where are you?
I wish to be at a friend's house. I really hope you can do that.
Whoa, hey.
Oh, hey, Chad.
How'd you get in here?
Your back door was open.
Sweet, I was wondering if you wanted to come to prom with me.
Yeah.
I gotta check on something. Be right back.
Okay. He asked me to prom, but I don't even have a dress. Wait. I wish for a red dress that's kind of fitted, but not too fitted. You know what I mean, Penguin. Just work your magic. Oh my gosh, yes, this is perfect. I should also wish for some accessories and...
Hey, there's some cops in the front of my house, and they say they're...
Girls, the letters from your soulmates have arrived. One for you, Franny,
Yay.
and one for you, Olivia.
Thank you, Mother.
Is there one for me? Why, yes, dear. This is yours. It's empty.
How fitting.
What is that supposed to mean?
The only person who could love you is...
No one. There has to be some sort of mistake. There's not even a stamp on this envelope. The king himself sends out these letters. Are you questioning his authority? No, there has to be a note for me or something.
Mother, you have something for her.
Oh, well, as a matter of fact, I do. What's this? A list of chores that need to be completed. You shall not eat until they're done. So get to it. Ah, no. My letter. She threw it away? It has the royal stamp on it, which means my soulmate letter is from the prince. I look forward to seeing you at the royal ball. Sincerely, Prince Anthony. My soulmate is the prince. No one can know about this. Brielle, pour me my tea. Yes, ma'am.
Mother, we have nothing to wear to the ball. We need some more dresses.
You have plenty of dresses that you can wear. Don't be selfish. What did you just say?
Ooh, she's gonna get it now. You should apologize to Mother.
That wasn't my fault. She pushed me. You idiot. I am so sorry. Come here. You're staying in here tonight. No, please. Please let me out. Hello? Anyone?
Brielle, wake up.
Olivia? What are you doing? I'm gonna help you.
Morning, beautiful.
What was that? Mom? Mom?
Yes, sweetie?
Are you hearing voices too?
Oh, honey, that's just your soulmate.
My soulmate?
Yeah, you guys can talk to each other.
Sweet. Hello?
Hey,
This is so weird.
what's your name?
I'm not gonna tell you that. I barely know you.
Can I at least know how old you are?
Yeah, I'm 19.
Cool, I'm 20.
Damn, 20? So no sugar daddy?
How tall are you?
I'm 4'11".
Wait, so you're a dwarf?
That's rude.
Can I tell you something?
Well, you won't shut up anyway, so what is it?
What if I told you I know exactly where you are?
I would say that is extremely creepy.
Welcome to the front door. Can I tell you something?
Well, you won't shut up anyway, so what is it?
What if I told you I know exactly where you
I
are?
would say that that is extremely creepy.
Welcome to the front door.
What? Yes?
Are you Giselle?
Yeah, that's me.
This is for you.
Flowers? Who sent these?
Who do you think sent them?
Thank you. Did you really just send me flowers?
Yes. Am I not sweet?
Well, I mean, it would have been sweet, but I never told you where I live.
Just say thank you.
They stink, by the way.
Hello? Why aren't you talking to me?
I don't want to talk to you, because you're being very creepy.
How am I being creepy?
Well, for starters, how did you know where I live?
Maybe I know you already.
Wait, what?
Simon says stop putting lipstick on.
Simon says. What? Hey, Mom.
What's up, hun?
Who is Simon, and why is he telling me what to do?
Oh no, it started.
快手，
What do you
拥抱
mean?
每
What
一种
started?
生活。
It's a game. You have to do whatever Simon says. If you don't, something terrible will happen. But be careful, it'll try to trick you.
Yeah, I understand.
Simon says go to school.
I guess I gotta go to school now. Hey, Jessica.
Hey, Giselle.
So what happens when you don't do what Simon says?
Simon says hold up 2 fingers.
We're safe. I'll see you later.
Hey, where's Jessica? She's not in class today.
The game tricked her. She's gone.
Put up your hand.
Giselle, no, it's a trick.
Come with us.
Put up your hand.
Giselle, no, it's a trick.
Come with us.
What do I do?
I'll distract them. Run! Whoa, why are you running?
I'm trying to get away. The Simon Says game tricked me. And now they're looking for me.
I know a place you can hide. Follow me.
Thank you.
Okay, we're here.
Thank you for bringing her to us.
You set me up. How could you?
It was for a reward. I really needed the money.
You sold me out for money?
That's enough. You're coming with us. We're almost there.
I'm sorry, but where are you taking me?
It's best not to ask any questions. Just keep quiet and follow us. Okay, we're here.
Can you at least tell me where we are?
We brought you to meet Simon. He requested to see you.
Happy birthday!
Ready to find out your sweetheart?
What's a sweetheart?
It's your soulmate. It's who you're gonna love forever. Prince Licorice?
What's wrong?
Nothing, Lolly. We'll handle everything. Don't worry.
Please, can I meet him?
No, Lord Licorice is a very evil man, and I'm sure his son is no better. Exactly.
But he's my sweetheart.
Nope. The system must have made a mistake.
Well, hello, my dear.
Who are you?
You don't know who I am? You really don't get out much, do you?
My parents never let me leave the castle.
I see. Well, I'm actually a friend of your father's, and I've brought you a gift.
Is this taffy?
Why, yes.
This is my favorite.
Try it. Good, isn't it? What's the matter? Too sticky? Sorry, princess, but I can't have you alerting the guards. I'm going to bring you to meet my son. Son, look who I've brought you.
Is that?
King Candy's daughter. Yes, indeed.
Why are her hands tied?
She's very feisty, but I'm sure she's happy to see you.
Are you?
Oh, she can't talk. I gave her the sticky taffy.
Dad! There, now you're free. Drink this. It'll dissolve the taffy. It'll take a few seconds to work.
Thanks.
I'll give you two some alone time.
It's really nice to meet you, Lolly. My name is Prince Licorice, but you can call me Luke.
Well, I want to go home, Luke.
Please stay. I want to get to know you.
No, your dad creeps me out, and I don't think I can trust you guys.
Lolly, I'm not like my dad, I swear.
No, I want to go home, and that's an order.
Fine, as you wish. Listen, it's gonna be a long journey for you.
You're not gonna escort me back?
No way. My dad would freak.
So I have to walk through Candyland all alone? Forget it. I don't need you. I can handle myself.
Candyland is a very dangerous place, especially for a dainty princess like you.
I am not dainty.
Well, you sure are stubborn.
Goodbye, Luke.
Hey, we're supposed to be together. You're my sweetheart.
Well, having me kidnapped wasn't very sweet.
That wasn't my idea. Whatever. Just go. I don't even care anymore.
Ugh! What is this stuff? Chocolate swamp? Uh-oh. Oh, this stuff is like quicksand. What do I do? Wait, I think my lollipop still has a little bit of magic in it, so maybe I can turn this into hard chocolate instead. It's working.
What are you doing in my swamp?
I was just leaving, sir.
Hey!
What is this place?
Princess? Are you lost?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh no. Here, have some cotton candy.
Thank you. This is so good.
Glad you like it. How do you feel?
Good.
Perfect. You should spend the night here.
Okay.
The king is going to pay a lot of money to get you back. Here, have some more.
Let her go.
Prince Licorice, what are you doing here?
I'm saving her from you.
That's my sweetheart. Isn't he handsome?
Hand her over, or else... You think I'm handsome?
How could I not think you're handsome? Just look at how big your muscles are.
How much cotton candy did you have?
A lot.
I'm sorry, Prince Licorice. I didn't realize she was your sweetheart. Please don't tell your father I did this.
We won't have a problem as long as you let us leave. Let's go, Lolly.
Bye.
How you doing?
Better. I didn't realize that the cotton candy made you loopy. Listen, I'm sorry for getting mad at you. You really didn't do anything wrong.
Nah, you're good. I'm sorry too. So you think I have big muscles, huh?
Shut up.
We should start walking back. There she is! Seize him! Arrest him, now! Get off of me!
He didn't do anything wrong.
Get her to safety.
Luke! Mom, Dad, you have to let him go.
He was an accomplice to your kidnapping.
Even though he's your sweetheart, he has to pay a price for that.
No, he was the one that rescued me.
What?
He did.
Yes, I've been trying to tell you. He was the one who saved me from the cotton candy fairy. Honey, we need to release him.
Lord Licorice took my daughter. I say we keep his son.
Dad, that isn't the way. She's right. You two need to make amends.
Thanks for getting me released.
Of course. It's the least I can do. I'm really happy our parents are getting along now.
I'm so glad too. I need to ask you something. Lolly, will you make me the happiest man in Candyland and marry me?
Yes. Everyone, we're engaged.
Aw, congrats, sweetheart.
Just look at that ring.
Congratulations. Lolly, I couldn't have asked for a better soulmate.
Me neither.
I don't know if you guys remember, but a while ago, I had wispy bangs. My intrusive thoughts are getting to me right now, and I kind of want them back. So come with me to cut my hair and potentially fuck it up. I'm gonna do very small sections because you can always cut more hair off. Unfortunately, you cannot put it back. This feels like too much, even though it's like 4 strands of hair. Okay, I think this is good. You know what? We don't have time to be a baby. I'm gonna cut it short first. Oh, I already like it. It's not even short enough, but it's cute. I almost forgot to film myself cutting more. Okay, I hope that wasn't too much. That might have been a little short. Actually, I'm crying. It's not that bad, right? Okay, I think I'm just dramatic. I mean, it's fine. Honestly, I should have left them long. Next video is gonna be me selling this hair on eBay so that I can buy a wig to cover this. Please be a long time. I really want to stare at Josh in 4th period. What? What am I supposed to do if I can't see the whole day?
Hey, what do you think of this shirt I'm wearing?
Nothing, since I only got 4 minutes to see today.
Bailey, I'm to your right.
Oh. Am I gonna have to drive to school today?
No, bitch, I'll drive. You can't see.
Right.
You're in my seat.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know.
You're not even looking at me. Shouldn't you check before you sit down?
I literally can't see anything.
Well, then feel around or something. I don't know.
Damn.
Don't worry, Stacy. This'll teach her.
Who did that?
Y'all are assholes. She did not deserve that.
Thank you.
I'm over here.
Sorry.
Oh, wow. You're really beautiful.
One? How? Well, at least he's popular.
Honey, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, just checking. I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
I know it's been hard, but try to have a good day, okay?
I will.
Please choose the nice outfit. Are you kidding me? It's picture day.
All right, Brianna, come up. You're next.
No.
Get ready to smile for your picture in 3, 2, 1. Are you ready for the test?
Of course, I literally studied all night long. You better let me write this test. Jerk. Miss, I have to leave. I can't write my test. I'm sorry.
Why did you leave during the test? You said you were prepared.
This is so humiliating. Jake, why are you laughing so much?
I just made my soulmate have the worst day of her life.
Really?
Yeah, I ruined her picture day, made her miss her test, and then I absolutely humiliated her. Whoa, you look scary.
You. Today it's my turn to make the choices. Revenge is gonna be sweet. Oh, would you look at that? Looks like someone's missing basketball practice.
You're the worst. You knew I had basketball practice.
And you knew I had picture day.
No, please. I have to go to that class. I'm so close to failing.
Yeah, and I really needed to write the test yesterday too, so.
Here, I bought you some cookies.
Aw, you're bribing me.
No, I'm just a nice guy.
Well, you're lucky. Unlike you, I'm actually a good person. Woo! You can do this, Jake!
Woo, we won!
I know! The other team, they didn't stand a single chance against you guys.
Thanks for letting me play. I hope you can forgive me for being such a jerk.
Oh, this is gonna be easy. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweetheart.
Here. I made you lunch.
You always know just how to brighten someone's day.
Hey, Mrs. K, that necklace looks absolutely stunning on you.
Really? It does?
My bully? No way! She doesn't deserve it.
What are you wearing?
I know, it's so funny, right? I mean, like, what am I wearing? What am I wearing?
You're acting strange.
Hey, want to know something so crazy? I've never actually seen you smile. Why don't you show me those pearly whites? Okay. Hey, so I'm actually doing a survey for a class. I just need you to write down all the things that make you happy.
I know what you're doing. You're trying to make me smile. It's not gonna work. I haven't smiled one day in my entire life.
There has to be something that makes you smile.
No, nothing. All I see is darkness and the world crumbling around me.
That's dark. I know. Let's go to that garden you like so much. You know, the one with all the decaying flowers?
Yes, that place is nice.
It stinks here.
That would be all the rotting plants.
This place makes you happy?
Yes, I like it. The decaying flowers is like a metaphor for my life.
Then why aren't you smiling? I'm so glad to be out of there. I can finally breathe again. Hey, has anyone ever told you how pretty you are?
Flattery will get you nowhere.
What am I gonna do? If I can't make you smile by the end of the week, my life is over.
Okay, I'll smile if it means you're gonna leave me alone.
Yes, please. No. That's not a smile.
Yes, it is.
That's creepy. It's okay. I won't give up. Come with me. You're going to smile. I found a list of jokes on the internet and I'm going to recite them to you until you smile. Why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby? 'Cause he was a little horse.
You have the humor of a brick wall.
Once you see how pretty you look in this makeup, you're going to smile for sure.
Don't put pink stuff on me.
Okay. You're done then. Look in the mirror.
Ah! What did you do to my face?
Put this on. It's totally gonna go with your makeup.
No.
What? Why? You don't like this sweater? It's literally my favorite one.
I'm not interested in any of these things. You're only doing the things you like, and I'm nothing like you.
You just like basically everything. I don't know what to do anymore. I give up. You're never gonna smile. Oh!
You just ran into the door.
Happy 18th birthday, sweetheart. Thanks. So, I've been meaning to ask. Since I'm old now, can't I go outside?
No, you are not allowed to go outside.
But, Mom.
Enough with this nonsense. You are not going outside.
Okay.
And remember, you have to heal me when I come back from work, okay?
I know, I do it every day. Can everyone else heal people too?
Of course they can. It's not just you.
Well, then why don't you heal yourself?
It doesn't work. I have to get going. See you later.
Who's there?
Hey, don't panic. But... Damn, you can punch kind of hard, Blondie.
And I'll do it again. Who are you?
I was running away from some bad people and I just needed somewhere to go. I'm sorry.
I'll let you escape under one condition.
Okay, anything.
I have to come with you.
Come on, please give me blue. Mom will disown me if I get red. Pink? What the hell is pink?
Why are you wearing that shirt?
Oh, because that's the color I was assigned.
You need to go take it off right now.
What? Why?
You cannot be walking around wearing pink. Go put on blue instead.
Okay, geez. Is this better?
Yeah, nobody will be able to tell now.
Okay, good.
Oh, Bailey, you got blue too?
Yeah, I did.
Why did you say it like that? You seem nervous.
Like what? I'm not nervous.
I heard that Martha got the color purple. Like what?
Purple? That's crazy. What does that mean?
I don't know, but they said they're gonna kill anyone with a different color.
They're gonna what?
Yeah, you didn't know that? Are you okay?
No, I'm fine.
I just hope that nobody got pink. That's the worst color of all.
What did you say?
If we don't leave now, he's gonna come out to kill you.
Okay, let's go. Shouldn't we, call the police on him, though?
No, that's what I did, and in the future, they never got him. I'm gonna save you from all of this. I'll be right back.
How are you gonna save me?
I'm gonna kill him so that you can have a normal life.
What? Isn't that a bad idea?
Of course not. It'll be fine. Okay, I did it. It's done.
That was so fast.
I have to go back to the future now. Bye.
You're just gonna leave?
I'm gonna get in trouble if I don't get home right now.
She just killed someone and wants me to go get a Red Bull? Fine, whatever.
There she is. Excuse me. Is your name Bailey?
Yes.
You're under arrest for the murder of your recent boyfriend.
Whoa, I didn't do that.
This videotape is showing you committing the crime.
That's not me.
You have the right to remain silent. You'll be coming to the station with us.
Today I'm gonna be picking out my outfit with a blindfold on. We have moved to the inside of my closet and I'm just gonna blindfold myself. I don't even know where I'm going. We're just gonna reach this one. I feel like I should look. Okay, we might as well pick out a coat too. What's this? Oh, I actually really like this jacket. Now on the floor, and whatever the first shoes I touch are, I'm gonna wear them. Okay. Ah! This is my skirt drawer, honestly. I'm just gonna dig through here. I'm gonna go for the bottom ones because I don't even know what's down there. What am I holding on to? Okay, hello? Let's just try on the full fit and see what it looks like. Are we ready for the final fit? Because I don't know if you can handle all this. Upon putting this top on, I realized that it's actually broken. This was kind of a moment. And then we just lift the leg, put it back down, put it back down. Rate my outfit 1 to 10 in the comments.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
Thanks, Mom. What'd you get me?
Here.
Skittles?
They give you special abilities.
Yeah, whatever. Magical powers. Well, I guess I could try one. I don't feel any difference. Bye, Mom. I'm going to school.
Wait, honey, I have some bad news. Your grandma passed away.
Oh. Well, that sucks.
Wait, you're not sad?
No. Why should I be? Bye, Mom.
Oh no, that's horrible.
What's horrible?
Jessica got hit by a car.
Oh my gosh, for real? Well, I'm sorry for her.
What's wrong with you?
Hey, baby.
We have to break up. I hooked up with Emily.
Oh. Well, that's okay.
What do you mean that's okay?
Was it good?
Was what good?
The hookup. Was it good?
I knew you never loved me.
Let me try another one. Ooh, purple. My favorite. I wonder what this is gonna do. Good morning, Mom.
Hey, honey. I wonder if she knows that she's adopted.
Wait, I'm adopted?
Yes, I'm sorry, honey. How did you find out?
No, it's okay. I'm going to school.
Hey, Giselle.
Oh, hey, Olivia.
I had so much fun hooking up with her boyfriend last night.
Wait, you hooked up with Lucas?
How do you know that?
It's fine. I've always been taught to give my all toys to the less fortunate.
Well done, Giselle. You got an A+ on your test.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Bates.
She can definitely get an A+ on me.
Can I transfer out of this class?
Ugh, Giselle, come on, just go on a date with me.
Tyler, you ask me every day, and every day I tell you no.
Fine, I'll just watch you by a window again tonight.
I have to remind myself to close my blinds. I'll try another color. Orange. Let's go see what this one does. Hey, Mom.
I never loved you. I regret having you, and your sister is my favorite child. I don't know why I said that.
It's okay. I'm leaving for school. Well, that was freaky. Hey, Jess.
I'm only friends with you because you have a hot dad.
Wait, you're only friends with me because I have a hot dad?
Yes, I don't like you. You're a shitty person.
Good to know.
Hey, psst, Giselle.
What's up?
Doesn't Mr. Fitz look so hot? I want to marry him and have his babies.
Did you just admit to being in love with our math teacher? I don't know how much more of this I can take.
Hey, babe, I've been meaning to tell you. I'm in love with your mother, we're getting married, and I'm going to be your stepfather.
I'm going crazy. What's the next color? Green? So good. Let's go find out what this one does. Hey, Mom.
I still can't believe you failed your math test.
I wish you would just forget about that.
Forget about what?
My math mark?
What math mark?
Never mind. I'm going to school. No way. Does this power make my wishes come true?
Hey, Giselle.
Hey, I wish you would give me your hat.
Oh my gosh, yes, take it.
Thanks.
Giselle, you failed your math test again.
Sir, I wish you would just give me an A+.
Actually, you got an A+.
Hey, Jackson.
Hey, Giselle.
I wish you would go on a date with me tonight.
Well, keep wishing because it's not gonna happen.
Wait, what?
Do you think I'm dumb?
Which color should we try next? Let's do yellow. Pause and play. I wonder what that does. Hey, Mom.
Giselle, why didn't you do the dishes last night like I told?
I guess I could do the dishes quickly.
I told you to.
What do you mean, Mom? I did them last night. Go check.
Oh, I'm sorry. I must have been confused.
I'm going to school.
Okay, class, get ready for a pop quiz.
Pop quiz? Well, I definitely don't feel like doing that.
Wait, where'd Giselle go?
That's one way to get out of it. Ugh, this class is so boring. Why isn't it pausing?
Could you
One? Well, at least he's popular.
Honey, are you alright?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, just checking. I love you.
I love you too, Mom.
I know it's been hard, but try to have a good day, okay?
I will.
Guys, it's about to be midnight.
I'm so nervous to see how many smiles I got.
It'll be a lot. You're the happiest person I know.
I hope so.
Oh, wait, it's happening right now. I have 1,000. What about you?
1.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's okay. I just won't smile.
Are you sure? I've never seen you sad. Hey, Bailey.
Hey, guys.
Whoa, what is wrong with you?
I only got 1 smile.
Oh, that sucks. I have 4,000. Wait, does that mean you can't smile, like, at all?
No, only the 1 time.
Ew, we can't hang out with you. Come on, guys, let's go. I'm sorry, I have to follow them. Don't listen to them. They're assholes. It's not your fault.
They were my only friends.
I'll be your only friend instead, then. Also, I might have a way of helping you out.
Why you gotta be so mean?
You need to stay away from my boyfriend. He's coming over and I know that you like him.
Maybe we got lost in translation?
Don't pretend like you don't know. I saw you flirting with him.
It must be exhausting always rooting for the anti-hero.
Oh, hey Bailey, I like your outfit today.
Lately I've been dressing for revenge. The dating standards in 2023 are literally on the floor. Like, when did a date become getting in a car and just sitting in the parking lot? I just want someone to serenade me. Is that too much to ask? If you agree that romance is dead, then you're gonna like this song.
I keep denying the truth. Romance is dead, but the fantasy of us lives on inside my head. And I'm trying not to give up. I'm so sick of putting effort in. I'm trying to stop, give a shit, and I won't beg. Romance is dead.
Look at this dude I'm talking to. He is so fine. Oh, what happened to the dude you were talking to last week? Yeah, I blocked him. Unlike everything. What do you mean you blocked him? I asked him what he was doing and he said he was going to the gym. Like J-I-M. You blocked him because he said a single word that you did not like. Yes, what else was I supposed to do? That was the worst thing I've ever heard. Okay. Hey, table 5 needs a refill on their wine.
Okay, I'll do it in 1 sec. Here's another drink for you guys. Is there anything else I can get you?
No, but you seem like a beautiful soul. Have a Merry Christmas.
Thanks.
Someone left a gift for you on the to-go counter.
A gift? Maybe it's from one of my regulars.
You're so lucky. I wish I'd get a gift.
You are the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Enjoy the makeup. Secret Santa? I don't know anyone who would have given me an anonymous gift.
The mystery's part of the fun. Enjoy it. Oh, hey, Bailey.
I am not taking table 4. They smell like broccoli and BO.
No, there's another gift for you.
Oh. Here's something to remind you of me. Secret Santa. I have to find out who's been leaving me these.
Excuse me, ladies.
How many did you get?
5,000. Wow, baby. This year, I'll be able to talk to you a lot, Daddy.
Actually, honey, I have to go on a business trip, but we can talk when I get back, okay?
Mommy, it's been 2 weeks. Haven't you heard from Daddy yet?
No, honey, I think something might have happened to your father.
Mommy? Your mom needs surgery, but she doesn't have enough words to pay for it. I can pay with mine.
Are you sure? It's gonna cost a lot of words.
So, is my mommy all better now?
Sweetheart, we tried all we could.
Your mom didn't make it. We tracked down one of your relatives. This is your Aunt Hilda.
Hello.
She has a lot of words she can give to you.
She'll need to earn them. Did you finish all of your chores today? Good, here you go.
Only 3?
You're lucky I gave you that. Take out the trash. It's not my fault you didn't get words this year.
No. This looks like a letter from my...
Did you finish all of your chores today? Good, here you go.
Only 3?
You're lucky I gave you that. Take out the trash. It's not my fault you didn't get words this year.
No. This looks like a letter from my dad. What was this doing in the trash?
Ella, what is in your... Give me that! Get back! How dare you look through my trash, you nosy little child! Oh, what? You want me to give you more words now, Well, that won't be happening, and this letter isn't from your father, it's from someone pretending to be him. If you go through my trash one more time, you'll never get another word from me again. You missed a spot, Ella. I'm going to take a nap. You keep cleaning. See you later.
Now's my chance to find the letter. This has to be real. Aunt Hilda tricked him into giving all of his words to her, and now he's stranded? This whole time I thought he was dead. I have to help him, but I need words. I have to help him, but I need words.
Where are you off to? What are you... Oh, today's the first day of school. Well, have fun making friends with no words. Bye, Ella. Sorry, I can't help you. I'm late for work, kid. Excuse me.
This isn't working. Hey, that old lady looks like she's about to...
Oh, thank you, dear. I almost fell over. What's your name, dear? Oh, you don't have any words, do you? Well, I have plenty to spare. Here you go.
Thank you. You have no idea how much this means to me.
Of course, honey. Use them wisely. What's that smirk on your face all about? Excuse me, I'm making dinner. Do you want some?
No, thank you.
How did you... Who gave you words? You know what? Let me see that notebook, you secretive little child. Will work for words? You thought you could lie to me? Think again. How could you not tell me my father was alive? He writes to you every year, you know, and I always throw his letters in the fire, but this year I got a little sloppy and put it in the trash.
Why would you steal words from him? He's your own brother.
He had millions of words and would never share with me, and neither would your mother, which is why I had to get rid of her.
What?
Your mother's surgery didn't go well for a reason. Look, I needed you to become an orphan. Why? So legally I could control your words.
You are sick, but I have a lot of words, and I'm going to send them to my father.
Go ahead. He needs at least 3,000 to come home.
Well, that's perfect, because I have just enough.
What? Well, then I can't have you doing that. Thanks to your big mouth, you'll be staying in this attic until further notice. Dad? It's me, honey. I got your words. I missed you so much, Ella. Your Aunt Hilda has been arrested, but are you okay?
I am now.
Oh, there you are. Good morning, dork.
I am not a dork.
Whatever you say. Hey, do you think my new haircut looks dumb? I don't like it.
I think it looks really good.
Right, you have to say that because you're my best friend.
That's not true. You look great. Did you hear that we're getting a new student too?
Yeah, we haven't had a new student in so long.
I know. I wonder who it's gonna be.
Class, everyone meet Macy.
Whoa, she's so pretty.
Yeah, I guess so.
Hey Macy, you should come over here. Take a seat next to us.
Hi, guys.
My name's Jason, and this is Bailey.
Nice to meet you.
You should come sit with us at lunch.
Would that be okay?
Yeah, for sure. Good morning. You didn't leave a seat open for me.
Oh, my bad. I kind of forgot.
I'll see ya at lunch then?
Yeah, whatever. Macy, what were you saying?
Girl, you better tell him that you love him.
I don't love him.
Are you sure about that?
Dropped this.
Oh, thank you. I don't even own a TV. Whatever, I guess I'll just throw this away. What is this? I guess the only way to find out is to push one. Now I just have to figure out what that exactly paused. Why did all those people freeze at the exact same time? Does this pause time? Oh, I'm gonna get some good use out of this.
Everyone, please put your phones away for the test.
I forgot about the test. I know what to do. Just gonna steal the answer key real quick. Don't mind me, sorry. Play.
You may now begin. You have 1 hour.
Hey, can I talk to you?
What's up, babe?
Yeah, so I'm sorry, but I have to break up with you.
What? Just 1 second. Hey, babe.
Oh, hey, what's up?
I'm breaking up with you.
What? Are you serious?
Yeah, bye.
Oh, wow. Are you trying something new with your hair?
No, what do you mean?
Look at yourself.
What happened to my hair?
Honestly, I think it's kind of cool.
It looks like a bird's nest.
Looks like you have some pink strands of hair now, too.
Apparently. I guess it could have been worse. It could have been country.
I fell in love with an emo girl. All I want is...
Very funny.
You know, you kind of look like Machine Gun Kelly, too.
Thanks.
Why do you look like Hot Topic threw up on you?
Guys, okay, it wasn't me. It was my soulmate. I don't want to dress like this.
You know, maybe you should. It kind of suits you. Maybe your soulmate just has a crush on Avril Lavigne.
That's fair. Me too.
Or they might be like a super famous rock star.
I really doubt that, but it would be super cool.
Guys, is that who I think it is? Looks like your rock star isn't that far away after all.
Mommy, I got 1,000 years! Shh! Don't say that so loud. Come on, we're leaving.
But why?
No one can ever know how many years you have. Put it to private immediately. Hey girl, why do you always keep your years on private?
I just don't see the need to share it, that's all.
She probably has no years left, that's why. Jake, don't be mean.
Hey Mom, my years are still going up. It's almost at 30,000. Can you tell me why it's such a bad thing?
Don't ever mention this to me again. Now go to your room. Everyone reveal your years immediately.
Who are these guys?
The legend has it that the girl who receives over thousands of years in her lifetime is the long-lost princess. Everyone reveal your years. We must find the princess. They already are. Brianna's the only one who keeps her years on private. Reveal it now. 30,000 years. Come with us. I'll be right back. Your driver should be here shortly. What are you doing here? Why didn't you tell me people were coming to the school today?
I didn't know.
Let's go. We're going home.
But Mom, I'm the princess.
Come on. You are never going to leave your room ever again.
Mom, no, don't leave me here. Mom!
Hello there, princess.
Are you a prince?
I believe this is yours.
A crown.
It looks stunning on you. Here, take my hand. Let's get out of here. So you're the princess. Oh, we must get rid of those commoner clothes immediately. Follow me.
Wow, this gown is gorgeous.
Princess, your years, they're at infinite.
But how is that possible?
When the princess meets her soulmate, she gets infinite years.
You must be my soulmate then.
No, that's not possible. You have infinite years and he doesn't. The princess's soulmate should also have infinite years after meeting. It's somebody else.
Who else did I meet?
Princess, it must be some kind of mistake. I know you're my soulmate. Will you marry me?
Of course I'll marry you. You did save me after all.
Prince? Prince, where are you? I need your help picking an outfit. I'm really nervous about meeting my real mother and father.
Wait, what if the princess sees us? Don't worry about her. She's clueless. I have her wrapped around my finger. Princess, are you okay?
Who are you?
After all this time, you still don't know me?
No. Wait.
Everyone, reveal your years. We must find the princess. The princess's soulmate should also have infinite years after meeting. It's somebody else.
I do remember you.
I have to show you something.
Infinite years. So you're my soulmate, and not a prince? A servant boy?
I'm sorry to disappoint you.
I can't marry you. I must marry a prince and become queen.
Are you ready to be married, princess?
Don't speak to me. This is a transaction, not love.
You will now be pronounced king and queen once your new crowns are worn. Wait! I object! I can't believe you're failing math.
What is this?
You are an absolute foul daughter, an embarrassment to this family.
I've had enough of that.
So class, when 1 plus 20 plus 4, you multiply by 6, then carry the A to the B.
I need a nap to process this information. You know, it wouldn't hurt to have a look around. What's this? This is all the answers!
How did you do so well in math today?
I guess you could say I am a math wizard.
You are literally terrible at math.
Hold that thought. Kevin's coming.
Hey, why'd you pause it?
How can you...
I saw what you did in math today.
What? How did you see me steal the answers? I was paused. And how are you talking to me right now? I'm paused.
I don't know how or why, but I have the same ability as you. Also, I need those answers for math.
What? No, I'm failing.
I have a picture of you stealing the book. Give it to me or I'm going to report you.
Fine.
Where did Kevin go? He was just here.
Kevin's stupid and I don't like him anymore. Kevin. Kevin! So Kevin, I thought maybe if you wanted to be a nice guy, we could share the answers.
Of course we can. For $50.
Deal. Homework is all done.
Code red, code red. There is an unknown stranger in
Protect us from what?
There's people after you two. The ability you were given is very rare. Only a handful of people have it. They want to use you.
What?